So hi everybody. So we have our candidate Mudit Chabla with us. He is going for his house building program to Germany. So let's have an interaction with him to know like how his journey was with us and how was his experience learning German and why did he choose Germany. So let's start. So hi Mudit. First of all,
Hi, ma'am.
congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So first of all, just share your feelings with everybody. How does it feel now?
I am feeling very happy and delighted as I am going to begin a new journey from next month onwards. So I am feeling at the same time very curious and anxious also as I am moving abroad. It's not very easy to move abroad, but I chose this path, and after a month I am going to Germany. I am moving to Germany with the help of KLH and the guidance everybody gave me. So this is all about.
Okay, good. So why did you choose house building? What was the reason? Because there were multiple options available for Germany. We have bachelors, we have masters, studio cooling, and other things as well. So what was the reason of choosing house building specially?
House building has a lot more advantages than any other option. As we take an example, public universities need block counts, but in house building we don't need a particular block count in house building, and also we don't need IELTS. Not everybody is pro in English nowadays, so not everybody can get 7 bands or 7.5 bands to get in Germany. But in this case, in house building, we have a very big advantage. We don't need a IELTS, and also another advantage of house building is that house building had a vocational training program. House building is vocational training program, so we're gonna receive a stipend, and we're gonna learn new things. So I choose house building as it is very pocket friendly. We don't need that much amount. Because when we are moving in any other country such as US, Canada, we need a hefty amount. So some students take it as a loan, but this house building option of Germany, I think it is very good for everybody.
And even I think that whatever you spend for learning all this program, you are able to earn that in another 2-3 months because minimum stipend is something around 1,000 euros only.
Yeah.
So within another 2-3 months, whatever expenses you incur on learning the languages, on your paperwork, the exams, the Goethe exam which is mandatory document required. So I think you are able to cover up all that stuff once you are in Germany.
Yes.
Fine. So which field are you going for?
I'm going for mechatronics. As I was a kid, I was very curious about how the big machines work, and with this field of mechatronics, I can go and explore that curious of that child. So that's why I choose mechatronics to explore that all curious and curiosity in me.
And so how was the learning experience? I mean now the next month you would be in Germany. So how was your learning journey, I should say, from India to Germany or from KLH to Germany? I can like say that way as well. So how was it?
It's been 2 years. Since I am learning German. So my learning journey was very great. The expert team of KLH helped me a lot, and guidance given by Vikas sir. The assignments and that guidance and that mantra of learning 20 words every day or 30 words every day, watching German series, it was all fabulous and worth it.
Okay. So now you are actually, let me tell everybody that he is B2 certified from Goethe as if now. Though the minimum requirement is B1, but he cleared B2 as well. So he excels in speaking fluently as far as the level B2 German is concerned. Now, the next question. So, what is your suggestion for other candidates like you, like who have a limited budget or who are from like arts background? Like because normally the students don't have much option. We have heard this thing that science and commerce we have ample of opportunities, but when it comes to the stream commerce, to arts, the things are not too much. The options are not available. So, what is your message to those students?
As you know, I have completed my 12th standard from humanities, and in humanities we don't have that much of options as we have in other streams. So if a student is doing his 12th from humanities stream, I think that he must take that thought in mind of moving abroad to Germany, and Germany is giving today a great opportunity for everyone, and when you have a limited budget, I think Ausbildung is the great option you have in your hand. So I think that it's the advice I will give to everybody, that you must consider this as an option if you want to support your family, if you want to go and explore the world, new world and new culture. So I think
So basically, the gist of this is that if you have limited knowledge, limited budget, and still the doors don't close for you, you still have opportunities open, that too in Germany. I think we can just summarize this thing, what you actually want to say to us. Okay, now the last question. What is your feedback on Creative Language Hub?
The service of Creative Language Hub is excellent. The Creative Language Hub has done all my official work, and when it comes to official work, everybody knows that official work is way more difficult if you are not in a professional guidance. But in the Creative Language Hub team is professional, and they have done my all official work, filing, my documents and everything, and also they have arranged an interview with the employers also, and these services I find as very transparent. They don't hide anything from you, and that is the biggest thing I can say about.
So you suggest others also to join us, because in case they're looking for transparency and they want a strong career in Germany,
Yes,
so we
yes.
are there at your disposal. So thank you so much, Mudit, for all your words. We wish you very good luck in the future, and
Thank
don't
you,
think
ma'am.
that once you are in Germany, we won't be connected with you. Me and my team is there for you. Though we have our collaborators over there to take care of you, we would be handing over you to them only. It's okay, but somehow, in case in future also you need any assistance from our end, we will be there for you. Thank you so much, and I wish you very all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.